Like many of you out there, I'm sure I was so eager for 2020 to be over and ready to move on into a better 2021, and then something happened. You may have read my community post from a couple of weeks ago, but I really wanted to just sit down here and talk to you directly and let you know what has happened, but also what will happen here on this YouTube channel. The reason why I have been quite absent from YouTube and my other social media platforms lately is that I'm dealing with some health struggles. And I don't often talk about my health because it's a difficult topic, but I think it's time for me to open that box, and I hope that by doing so, I will help you open up yours as well if you need to, because in the end, we are all in this together. Almost 10 years ago now, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, which is a chronic disease that affects the nervous system. I take medicines to keep it under control, and I've been so lucky that I have mostly been fine on that front for so many years. But unfortunately, between Christmas and New Year's, I started experiencing some symptoms. This is why I have taken a little bit of a break, and the symptoms that I'm experiencing don't really make it very easy to craft at all, so I'm taking a little bit of a break from that. But I do believe that every setback is just a setup for an even bigger comeback, and so instead of focusing on the things I cannot do, I really want to talk about the things that I can do here on this YouTube channel for you all. I've been brainstorming a little, and I think there are 3 main types of content that I can bring you here on this YouTube channel for the next weeks, maybe months, we will see. I can share product videos where I talk to you about my favorite tools for card making and paper crafting, and maybe share some reviews. I can share craft room organization videos, and this is something that I've been putting off for so long, but I think it's a very interesting type of comment. I love watching these kind of videos, and I'm excited to bring you some. And then I thought it would be fun to share Q&A videos, so you get to ask me questions about myself, my creative journey, or crafting in general, and then I'll just sit down here and answer those questions. And I think that this is a very nice way for us to connect a little bit more while we talk about topics that you care about. Now, the schedule may be a little bit reduced, so I am not sure that I'll be able to post every single week, at least for a while, but you can definitely turn on notifications if you don't want to miss any future videos, and you can just hit that little bell down there next to the subscribe button. Now, make sure to comment down below, let me know what tools you'd like me to talk about, and if I have them, I will definitely share. Let me know if there are any tips for your craft room organization that you are interested in, and do share questions that you have for the Q&A videos, because I think this is a really cool opportunity, as I said, to start a conversation about topics you are interested in. So again, Happy New Year to you all. I will be back soon, hopefully very soon, and in the meantime, keep crafting, keep on shining.